yang kekot kekia. Ka Bharatiya Janata Party BJP kala Pynbna banai Jingkyrshan syaki Kyrtong jokaseng NPP na baro atli ki parliamentary constituency kata na Shillong Batura hakane ka jingjit nongmi khmat syaka yeng dor bar thau an Lok Sabha arajar arpusaw kane ka long ka khubor Jokaseng BJP ka jala balalam khmat dau president kaseng urik manji moment ringkat bat u MLA ka South Shillong uba Sanbor Shulai mental sengi kilalet ya kendo ya u national president jong ka NPP u balong ru u menteri rangba ka jala Meghalaya u Conrad Sangma secretariat habakran chikilat pathai khubor hadian ka jingelang u Rikmanji moment u laong baka kinhon ka BJP kala ai ka khubor bala pha de kinong yalam na Delhi cha u Conrad Sangma Umuman ula banjor badai banbut baik kat kum karai jong kaseng BJP.
Decided among themselves. We are the soldiers of the BJP. So whatever the center tell us, we have to abide with that.
So that doesn't mean that.
So whatever the decision, that is all consult. That's all.
Hakaway pat kalyang u MLA ka South Shillong uba Sanbor Shulai u laong bakseng kalong kabalakloy ben ay Jingkyrshan ka NPP hakajala.
There are seats in other states in the northeast where the BJP has to support the other partners, and here also sincerely we have got the directive that we should work and support the NPP candidate Srimati Amparin Lungbo.
U state president ka NPP uba Preston Tensong ulap diang sungobhay karay bala syem da kinongilam ka BJP na Delhi pat uong baka seng ka don Jingkyrshan ban job ya baro artli syuki kata na Shillong Batura.
Well, I'm so thankful the decision taken by the highest authority of the BJP. And we really welcome this decision taken, and I'm very sure with the support in both the conferences we will assure that we are coming out victoriously.
U Menteri Rangba ka jala u Conrad Sangma u balongru u National President ka NPP ulap diang sungobhay ka rai jong ka BJP ban ay Jingkyrshan ka seng jong u hagani ka jingjit nong mikmat sa kayeng dorbar thau an Lok Sabha.
And obviously the support of any individual or any political party coming and supporting us is a positive thing. So therefore, every drop adds to the ocean, as they call it. And therefore, we are very happy, and we are quite hopeful that, as I said, the support that is coming in will have a positive impact on the NPP.
Laban kedauhan ni baka NPP keladap ban ai Kyrtong syai Dr. M. Amparin Lingdo ban yakun na Shillong bat ya ka agat hasang ma natura parliamentary constituency. Laban penken mau baka seng BJP na kajala keladap ban pha yagi Kyrtong jong ki khatwing mut ki Kyrtong sya ka seng kami. Bureau Report DD News Meghalaya. Kaseng Voice of People